Trigonometry. LSS sine 27 cos 27. Sin 90 minus 60 cos 27. Cos 60 cos 27. Then 2 cos 60 plus 27 by 2 cos 60 minus 27 by 2. 2 cos 90 by 2 cos 36 by 2. 2 cos 45 cos 18. 2 1 by root 2 cos 18. 2 root 2 cos 18 RSS proof also realizes all the way progressive minus civilizing mean please subscribe me study profoundly research deeply and analyze this description and solution. Please recognize me as such. Subscribe me. I must be grateful to you everybody. Progressive mind.